And thanks for stopping by today. You can see them in the Calendar Snack dashboard. If you want a Calendar Snack, they're free. You can go to calendarsnack.com, follow the directions there. You'll sign up and be able to generate calendar snacks in a matter of minutes. I'm here to sell you something called the Calendar Server itself. And the Calendar Server itself is this bad boy. And it's essentially a full stack that works on Amazon. So if you are an AWS user and or working within that stack, we fit right in there and up and running about 30 minutes. You essentially use your SES account, your simple email service account. We help you set that up. And you're off and running, sending calendar invites to bulk lists or upcoming web pages. Essentially, you take your calendar client, you'll use a crate at your domain address over here. That will stuff the data into AWS. It'll show up in your dashboard. This is installed in your account. It's a simple serverless stack. And then your dashboard will be right here. In this example here, we're sending out bulk calendar invitations to a registered list. Those people actually receive the calendar invite. We track it in the dashboard here. And then you'll see down here in step 5 that the status of tentative, accepted, or no action is maintained here in the detailed dashboard. And if any of the data is changed in the calendar client itself, it processes through the serverless stack this way, right to left. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, and then the data is set into AWS S3 bucket right there. So that's it for the quick overview of what I'm attempting to sell you. Now the demo itself is fun, and what I've generated here off the upcoming landing page here for the NFL season is various views on how the logos look. So I have that one there, you'll see that one there. That's our stock one. That's not so fun, but you'll see a good upcoming events idea that these can be stylized through our quick little render engine and stylizer over here. And the stylizer, excuse me, is right here. So all you're going to do is essentially pull one of these styles off of the standard book. And that standard book would be example, if I moved you through our example class here, which is part of our education series. We put out these little workbooks. Let me go to full screen. You'll see what I mean here. I got this logo here. All I'm going to do is copy it. It's basically after copy image off the net. These are free and you can stylize your logos. Again, this is a free product, it's not a full product. Our API kit comes with the calendar server and you can do whatever you want with it under open license agreement. And you'll see this view here, how cool it is. Now, I'm going to put a live Greg Hanchin at 31 Events email address in there. I've sent myself quite a few of these, so I can't send them again once they're sent once. I'm going to pick out the September 9th and send it to Greg. He's just going to click this here, persona-wise for the demo. And so that was the New York Jets at the 49ers, September 9th. Today's September 7th. I'm going to go to the inbox for, let's see, that one might be mine. Yep, there it is. You see the inbox is Greg Hanchin at 31 Events. I'm going to go back. I should have got another one. Here it is for New York Jets. I'm going to say maybe. That's on my calendar for maybe. You can see all the data in it. Here's the cool thing. If I go back to Calendar Snack Render Engine and I go to Get Reports, that data, if I click here for upcoming, is in this data set here. So if we go down to 9.9 and take a peek, there's 9.8. You see all the 9.8 loads. And 9.9 would be in here. Let me refresh. Data set's being pulled for S3. Go to upcoming here. And we're going to take a peek down here, back to 9.9. And let's see here. So you see 2 RSVPs were sent. Click the data, and you'll see that I've marked tentative here. And that's the end of the demo. If I want to get a deep, detailed report under HIPAA and security constraints, I click this button here, and this Get Invitee Report for this unit ID, the unique ID of the calendar itself, is sent to the football schedules at outlook.com. I do not have that one fired up, but it would be sent there and you'd be able to see it. Those are indicated here in the demo. I'll go back to the slide content here. Excuse me as I fumble around a bit. Okay, let me go to full screen. That data is sent in this kind of report in an email, and it details out the email and the status and what product they used on the client server side of things to actually send data back to the S3 bucket. Thanks for stopping by.